I've been attached with the feeling of waking up with you by my side.
Kahapon nga guys, sinalaman nga natin na ito ang ating Donnie Pangilinan ay Asia's Most Stylish 2024 na kung saan ay sobrang gwapo nga ng ating Donnie Pangilinan. At ngayon naman guys, ito namang ating Bel Mariano ay talagang nominee bilang Most Influential Entertainment na talagang patungkol nga ito sa mega passion. At ayon pa nga guys dito, the unstoppable force of Bel Mariano has positioned herself with more than just roles on the screen. She is also the face of fashion, beauty, food, and lifestyle brands today. A level of star status that many aspire, but only a few have the guts to pursue. In her journey of building confidence, self-love, and growth, the actress has sought the medium of fashion to express her personality, from wearing the pieces of Filipino designers such as Francis Libiran to working with fellow Filipino creatives in her projects. The actress has graced the print and digital pages of Mega in 2022 and Mega Style in 2023, and rightfully so for her relentless pursuit of her vision as a woman that plays many parts in her life. Mega champions the tenacity of Bel in the entertainment industry as she uses fashion as an instrument to empower and inspire her audience. Dahil grabe nga talaga itong ating Bel Mariano at Donnie Pangilinan pagdating sa fashion. Kaya naman stay tuned lang tayo for more updates sa ating couple.